What started as a viral picture of Sergeant Fanny Iceboy Nkosi with controversial businessman Katiso Mlefe has now exploded into a full-blown organized crime investigation. Today, on the 21st of May 2026, Nkosi appeared in court again and things are getting worse for him. The Pretoria North Magistrate Court officially consolidated all his cases into one matter. That includes the firearms and police dockets charges from Pretoria and the new Toyando interference case. The matter has now been postponed to the 22nd of July 2026. But here's where it gets serious. Ngosi remains behind bars after the magistrate previously ruled that he is both a flight risk and a danger to the public. His lawyers are now taking the fight to the Pretoria High Court, where his formal bail appeal will be heard on the 26th of May 2026. And prosecutors are adding even more pressure. A new charge of defeating the ends of justice has now been added. Investigations allege that back in 2022, Nkosi impersonated a colonel in order to remove a police docket and dagga evidence from the Toyando police station. This is the same Sergeant Fanny Nkosi whose name started circulating after General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's explosive July 6 briefing about criminal syndicates, police interference, and powerful underworld connections. Then came the viral photos, alleged links to Katiso Molefe, alleged connections to Kurt Matlala's network, explosives found at his property, police dockets, firearms, ammunition, and the 50,000 rands allegedly hindered under a mattress. And now every court appearance seems to open another can of worms. The investigation into his alleged links to organized crime is still ongoing. And for now, Sergeant Fanny Nkosi remains in custody while waiting to hear whether the High Court will grant him bail next week, Tuesday. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Ciao.